Maya feel like me never know. Me never know. But I when I me one, me not back from no mama body paya. That me say. And me not gonna take it back. I when I me one, me a turn up. And a drunk and I gonna shut me up paya, no germs. No all scribbles not gonna shut me up paya. Me say me not like tea lady. And if the drunk and me not pay double agent for come bring me down, only can't bring me down. Because there's nothing one that can come bring up Pammy when nobody don't know. Nothing the junk for them can bring up Pammy when nobody don't know Panya. So I when I me one, me I go turn up. And that me say. So when not come good, that me I tell the whole junk crowd who I come. The whole drums down who I fly around. When not come good. The all shit house or pit house I who I come. When not come good. Come good. And me Gracie Panya naga quiet. Me naga quiet. So when na come good. Me naga back from none of uno. And me naga quiet from none of uno. Learn that. Put that in on a pie because a Christian say and smoke it. Me naga back from no more body Panya. Me naga back. Me naga back. No tell me if you calm down. Me ignorant. Me ignorant. You not tell me if you calm down, I'm not sure. You don't tell me if you calm down, because I never trouble a drunk or panya. Me never trouble a germs panya. Me never trouble the bitch them panya. Me never trouble them. I never trouble people empire. I never know some me can't compare contact. Drunk crowd over there so I play things. You don't have nothing for me germs. You don't have a thing for me, bitch. Slut, you know nothing for me. Zuto pet over there what say you have things. You don't have nothing for me, drunk crowd. You don't have nothing. And there if you come play where you say you have bitch. You big bitch for your life over there. Germs, the bitch over YouTube me attack. Come play where you have. Come play where you have because you say you can bring me down. So come play where you have. You don't come play when you have, bitch. Slut. Germs, the one I don't come and play when you have. You don't come and play what you have. I done things for done in. Since you don't want to bring me back there. Since me I moved from there, so you want to bring me back there. I done things for done in the start. It's hard for the whole I know. Cause single-handed me I come. Me don't need a militant. Single-handed me come in. One by one I come in. Not tell me if end no rotted cuff life. Not tell me if end no life. Cause me no trouble them. Me never trouble none of them over there. I never trouble them. All of a sudden, I'm a tea lady. But I'm not surprised because the first thing they come out and cuss me tea lady. Cuss me for tea lady. And if I first thing can cuss me for tea lady. And if the first she come cuss me for your friend. But John Crowd, I die for the whole I don't know. Me die, I can't think I'm going to keep Gracie quiet. I don't think I'm going to keep Gracie quiet. So me die for the whole I don't know. I am here. I'm ready. See, I'm like when me tell you when a long time, done in, life for life, rubbing for rubbing, me not back from. No. Me not go back from. Since you don't want me for God here, me I go go there with you know. Because I'm afraid of none of you know. Me not stand up with on the injustice and must have me have a difference with 99. Doesn't mean I'm going to stand up with one another. Doesn't mean I'm going to turn up and do. Me have me difference is, me never tell them say me want people dead or nothing like that. Me never tell them say me I go stand up with tea lady if you come out and all kind of something. I never tell them that. Me never know say me want to make agreement for that. I never know I make agreement with Uno say when tea lady come out and I dead trick them and she come out with a foolishness them. I never know. Me only make agreement and me sign agreement say Gracie will not be saying anything. I never know. Me never did know. I never did know so me only run. The whole line together and me tell you say anytime tea lady come out and I set out that threat, me not gonna say nothing. She threaten me. So me entitled for talk. Me entitled for talk. I don't want nobody disturb me now. No leave me alone with talk. I come go like she has somebody. Tea lady a drunk, tea lady somebody. No lady never depend on her name. That big cross is nasty girl with a big, with a whole heap of dirty pad them in her house. When I have walkway to walk. Ain't no play me no lady. You say me avoid me, you dirty woman. She over there could have want join your force. Are you liars? I'm not afraid. She joined wouldn't know ready to bring me down and it never work. And it works not gonna work this time. Well now come up and say me the vex about time slot, so I'm to that. Who probably never know that? Who the rotted cup probably never know about time slot argument? If I that will not come, we will not have nothing. If I that are the best, will come better. I mean, I run back and nobody follow us, so I never care if them want to say me this about time slot and the least that. That are the least. For that, you don't care come on lose again, because that not make no sense. Me say me not like tea lady, I'm still not like her. I still does not like tea ladies. I does not like her. No matter what I say, me not go like the girl. Me not like her. No matter what difference is more after 99, I still do like tea lady. Me have my differences and I mean I'm not join force with tea lady. Me not join no force with tea lady. Me not like her. Yes, I do like her. And if I that, I'm going to make the division between me and you, go on. Because I not go like tea lady for you. Go on, because I not go like tea lady for you. You tell me yesterday say you have enough evidence to bring me down, so I'm waiting on you to bring me down. John Crover there. Me a wait for you to fly for my name and bring me down. I'm waiting on you to come and bring me down. All scrimmage. Me a wait for you to bring me down. Miss with the chimney pie head over YouTube. Me a wait for you to bring me down. Miss with the chimney pie head over YouTube because the helmet the past here head of chimney. Me a wait for you to bring me down, John Crow. Me a wait for you. Miss, I want to sit down for your life with your chimney for your head. I waiting on you to bring me down. Because you think you can keep me shut up and quiet. Lies you told. Me a wait for her to bring me down, nation. Anytime she ready to bring me down, you call me. Bet me see she bring me down. Since me is our target, you call me. You call me anytime she get ready to bring me down. You call me when she ready for rot it off, bring me down. Yes, anytime she come, you bring it. You no come. The girl over there with her trip on her head, I said she ready for bring me down. And she have enough evidence. When she come, call me. Cause everybody ready for bust her like cars have her for me name. So when she ready for bring me down, gonna call me. Call me please, nationals, when she ready for bring me down. You know what? A laundromat, but yeah? A laundromat, I have to walk come outside. To me ignorant for the people, I have to shout. I want to finish what I'm doing and start my day. I want to finish what I'm doing and start my day. Yes, my love, I want to finish what I'm doing and start my day. I want to finish what I'm doing. I mean, I laugh. National, be ignorant. It born my man. Man, if somebody can vex with somebody if you don't like somebody. Shami, I know she alone, him eat me too. Them eat me too, Shami. Them eat me too. Yes, them eat me too. Them can't bring me down. Bring down what? How and when and why and outcomes? Where? What time? What time will I bring me down? What time them are gonna bring me down? Which event is gonna happen? Because I want to know which event is gonna happen. One here, big and crosses and careless like. The whole out no careless. The whole out no careless. But it said this. But it said this. From yesterday, when you come out for customer in England, I sent it. And I said to you, say, you know, why nobody call steel lady, but you come out for the man of England. Me say, leave the man of England, and me I go love steel lady. And you say, Gracie, yes, we are going to leave it to them, make them war. Me say, yes, like steel lady, and the man of England fight. But if you're going night, me I go going night. If you and me going night, you have all the right. And you said, yes. And I went about my business. And me I do my head yesterday, me you call me. And you tell me, say, all bet is off. All bet is off. I had a plan to come cost the man of England. But me don't tell you already, say, if you're jumping at the war between T-Lady and him, me I go jump, me I go dive in it too. Me don't tell you. So all bet off. I told you. I said, leave the two of them, make them have them buckle. Them are historical enemies, as you say. A long time them go at it. Leave them alone. You say yes. Me say, all right. Leave them, make them fight. Allow them, make them fight. You say yes. Allow them, make them go back and forth. But obviously, your sister, T-Lady cannot manage a man of England. T-Lady cannot manage a man of England. So you're ready for diving night. Diving night, but me diving night too. Diving night, but me diving night. Since you have on your war suit, and me have on my war suit. Diving night, but me diving night too. Yes. Because we had a bet yesterday. And my sister had my witness in my head yesterday when you called me and said, I bet off. Why I bet off? Because you wanted war. And you wanted contention. And you said, lose your number. Because you decided to come up on the people and for what me no know. For what me no know. Me I said, me say 13. Me don't like T-Lady, you know. I don't like T-Lady. But because I want him to leave the man of England alone, me I go leave T-Lady and make him leave the man of England. But you call me and say, all bet is off because you wanted war between the people. Yo, you're war about. You love war. And you wanted me, Gracie. Johnny, me grab out the ear, come in that laundry mat and to the hat. And I even put that back on. To the hat, Johnny, that I even put on back the ear there. You wanted war and contention because you love war. You have on your war suit and you're ready for war. You're ready for war. You're ready for war. You say you have enough evidence and enough things to bring me down. So me I wait for Miss what I say with the chimney pan her head for come bring me down. I waiting on her for bring me down. The fat girl and the mango, I wait upon them for bring her down. The fat girl and the mango, you hear me? I wait upon them for come bring me down. Yes, fat girl and the mango, I am waiting on them for come and bring me down because me not back from none of them. I'm not backing from none of them nations, I that me say. I that me say, me not backing. And since they want we go there, we are go there. Yeah, we are go there. Me not have more window for to come broke out, so me are go there. I don't have no more window for to come broke out. So me are go there. Yes, I'm going to go there. Because I don't have no more window for to come broke out. In here. Listen, let me finish that journey to buy the clothes and wait upon me. But the clothes them wait. Make the clothes them wait. Clothes can't wait. Make clothes she wait. Clothes to wait. Make clothes wait, yes. Ignorant man, I can't believe. I never trouble them. Make clothes wait. I never trouble them. Oh, tired. So me not like tea lady. Me not like tea girl. So me never know say me feel like tea lady. Me never know say me feel like the girl the tea lady. I want I spit. I will talk things, you know. I will talk things. I make me block the girl here. Whoever you be, me block you. Nation has bye. I'm busy right now. Me not bet nobody will have my time. Me not give me a break. Me not want nobody to time at my phone, please. Because someone never used to call me until mix up time. I me not want it. Bye. Me not look no friend and no company now. All who never used to call me until mix up time. Not give me a break now, please. Thank you. Bye.